Okay, this video is to show you how to use the gas stove inside the caravan. Now before we even try and turn it on there, we need to turn the gas on at the front of the caravan. So what we do is we come out to the front of the caravan. This gas bottle here I know is the full one at the moment, so turn the gas bottle on. My blue pointer, point that towards the gas bottle that's on. Come back inside the caravan. Alright, the next thing we need to do is check this gas valve down the bottom here. So there's two gas valves here. This one on the left is the one that controls the gas to the stove, so we make sure that is in the on position, which is vertical like that. We can close that cupboard. Alright, now everything should work. That lid has to be up, whether you're using the gas stove here or the grill. Alright, if that lid's down, no gas will come out at all. So the gas should be on. These are all in the off position at the moment, which is good. So all we do is turn that, and do this with one hand. There we go. We're alight. Okay. Same story with all of these. Can I reach? And sometimes you've got to hold the gas knob in for a few seconds so it stays alight. Righto, cooking with gas. Turn those off. There. And it's the same thing with the gas stove, which is just this middle one here. This middle knob. Turn that on. Hold it in. Press the button. You'll see down here we have gas. I'm still holding it in for a second. And let go, check it, and it's still on. And I can just control how hot we want it. There we go. Alright, when you're done, don't forget, turn the gas off there. Make sure all the knobs, the gas is turned off. Close the lid. And then lastly, to be super safe, turn the gas off there as well. If you're not going to be using gas in the fridge gas in the caravan for a while, you can also go out the front and turn the gas off there. If you are going to be using gas a fair bit, it's okay to leave this on. The end.